Hi guys, we're doing a healthy, simple cacao granola. First of all, add in some maple syrup and some coconut oil into a pan and bring it to a gentle simmer. Next, you will need some cocoa powder. So I've used a good quality organic dark cocoa powder, and so just mix it up again into all those porridge oats so everything's covered.
Which ones there are?
Add in some desiccated coconut. It gives it quite a nice sweet natural taste. I love adding coconut. Even if you have coconut chips, that's fine to add as well. So mix it all in together. When you've done that, you want to get a baking tray and place it all out flat onto a baking tray and pop it in the oven for about 20 minutes. When it's cooked, the granola will be nice and crunchy, and it will get even more crunchy after you leave it for a while to cool down in the tin. At this point, I'm going to scatter in some flax seeds, some sunflower seeds and pumpkin seeds, and just give it a nice healthy boost and give that all a good mix. So once it's all cooled down, pop it into a nice airtight jar, and that will keep for a couple of days. Add it to your yogurt, a cereal. It's a great healthy food boost, and even the kids will love it as well.